Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got some fantastic news. It's awesome. Remember back in December of 2021, last year, I reported sadly that the great publication, WRTH, which is an encyclopedia of information about shortwave radio listening, TV listening, AM, medium wave, everything you want to listen to, with articles about radios and software and stuff like that, were going out of business. And this, the 2022, was going to be the last version. Remember that? And I've done many shows each year on their encyclopedias. Well, I am happy to report that they are now going to continue. Yeah, the company Radio Data Center in Germany is going to pick up their publication and put out a new book. Yep, a new encyclopedia with all the updated information this December. So the World Radio TV Handbook will continue. I mean, this is a great source of information, especially if you're brand new to like shortwave listening or even, TV or medium wave. It's just a wealth of information all in one book. And so they are going to start publishing this December the book in a similar format, and it's going to be available in both the hard copy and a digital version. And hopefully it will be sold on Amazon, so I can put it in my Amazon store for you to purchase. So this is really good news. So thanks to the Radio Data Center in Germany, WRTH continues. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.